Hello everyone, welcome to Ningbo Sunshinelux. This is Mr. Xia. Today I would like to show our new quickly connect LED floodlight for you.
Our quickly connector PIR floodlights with a full watt range. This is our normal sensor. It can adjust the angles according to your request, 120 degrees and 180 degrees. Now let's connect the wires. You don't need a screwdriver. You just need to snap the wire into this port. It can easily connect by your hands. Then screw the connector. Let's light it up. You can see that the lamp has a high lumen, about 100 lumen per watt. That's all about our quickly connector PIR LED floodlight.